everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Today, we're going to show you how to create an SSH, SSL, TLS, Stunnel server and set it up on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. This setup ensures faster speed and a more secure web connection, perfect for browsing, streaming, and privacy. Let's jump right in. Open your preferred web browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar, then hit Enter. From the search results, click the official UDP Custom website to access the homepage. Once you're on the site, tap the menu button, usually at the top right corner. From the drop-down options, select SSH, then click SSH SSL to proceed. You'll now be taken to the account creation page. Enter your username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA. Then click on Create Now. Wait a few seconds and your SSH TLS server details will be generated automatically. Click on the Copy Server Info button and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it in the next steps. Now make sure you have the latest version of the SocksIP Tunnel app installed on your device. Open the app and you'll see the home screen. Click the Settings gear icon to open the configuration panel. Scroll down and under Tunnel Mode, expand the menu and select Custom SSH. A small configuration window will pop up. Here's how you'll fill it. Under SSH Transport, select SSH SSL TLS. In the SNI host field, paste a valid SNI such as bughost.com. In the server IP port field, paste the IP address you copied earlier, followed by port 80 or 443. Enter your username and password from the UDP Custom server info. Once all fields are correctly filled, click the Save Configuration button. Return to the home screen of the app. Now just tap the Start button to connect. Your secure and high-speed SSH SSL TLS tunnel is now active. You can now browse safely and faster than ever. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.